you can make money with domain flipping as an online side hustle this year. All from buying domain names from domain owners and reselling them at a higher price. You could do this from anywhere. First, you must master the ropes of flipping domain names and how to make money with domain flipping. Domain flippers have made millions of dollars by selling domain names. Some entrepreneurs have made a living by selling and buying domain names, sometimes called domain flipping. Let's look at the pros and cons of domain flipping, such as the best way to make money from it and the risks that come with it. How to make money flipping domain names. Drag an uploaded clip with a speaker to add captions here. Six steps to make money from domain flipping. Put in the time to do your research. Use tools to check metrics, domain history, backlinks, keyword and profitability. That is it, go on and get started. Domaining is awesome because of its scalability. Practice and be creative in your research. Don't be greedy with your prices and engage prospects via social media and email.